Hello lovelies, let's make this simple catfish pepper soup together. I already have my properly cleansed catfish in the pot, so I have this pepper and onions blended together. I also have my seasoning cubes and salt, as well as my scent leaves properly cleansed. So the catfish is already in the pot. I'm going to be adding all the ingredients together at once, apart from the scent leaf. The scent leaf will be coming in later, but every other ingredients, that is the salt, the seasoning cubes, and the pepper mix, will be coming in together, as well as the pepper soup spice. I'm going to be adding everything together and allow it to boil, to steam together, all right, so that everything can get into the fish. Yes, so the fish can have a good taste. So that's the reason I'm putting everything together. However, the scent leaf will be coming much more later. That's when the soup is ready, is done. So scent leaf will be coming in as the last thing. All right, so that's the pepper soup spice that I am adding to it, and then after that we'll cover it and allow it to steam for a while, to steam for like 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I'll come back and add water, the quantity of water that I want to use for the pepper soup, and allow it to boil. After like another 10 minutes, you come back and check for salt and seasoning to see if everything is okay. So if everything is all right, then you can go ahead and add the scent leaf. Yes, after adding the scent leaf, cover and let it boil for another 5 minutes. And then you come back and your pepper soup is ready. Wow, doesn't this look good? It looks so yummy, right? So guys, this is our simple pepper soup. Please do follow my channel, give me a thumbs up, and please tell me, let me know how you feel about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in my next video. I love you guys. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.